This is something else. Sorry.
Luxurious, man. That's a skidoo seat. She's squishy.
Thing is so far up there, dude. Sure is a good thing I bought that $500 cover. I'm buzzing down to Pat's shop. He hits me up. He goes, hey, I'm working on the Firecat. I got some seat ideas. So who knows what kind of old skidoo seat he's got that he's putting on, because I guarantee you it's a skidoo seat, because Pat's a skidoo guy. So he's got to get a little bit of skidoo onto his Arctic Cat. So be ready for something ridiculous, because I know it's coming. Where's he at? What are you doing? What'd you do? Your seat's gone.
This is the base for my seat conversion. This is the factory base. We're going to bolt that down there. We're going to make a bracket.
Where's your new seat? What are you even putting on it? You ruined the good seat. Okay, here we go.
Roaches in it.
I knew it. I called it.
We're going to get it up like this.
Yeah, right. Where'd your bag go? I can't believe you took the hot dog bag
I
off.
had to.
You got the brake lever fixed.
Yeah, we
rolled that
tilted
down.
the bars up.
Yep, you didn't fix your grip,
We
though.
figured out, I only can do one thing at a time. We figured out why the bars were so far leaned back, because we got an interference issue.
With what?
The window and the
Oh, yep. So, I know you said you're going to screw pieces to pieces here, but you're not actually going to use 2x6s, are you?
This is just rock off.
I don't think you want to go too high. You'll be like me. Your center of gravity is going to be all dickered. I dare you to just do wood to wood like that. This doesn't feel any different than it did with the other one.
No, it's just not ripped. I need to go a couple inches higher.
What's the point of that? Oh,
Careful, it's not attached.
well, I know that.
That's a skidoo seat. She's squishy.
Actually, if you get the tip of this thing right up on here, it does do a nice little cupping action. This is actually pretty comfy right here.
Exactly.
This is going to be a long day on this thing, dude.
That's why I need the best seat skidoo ever made, 2016.
But you need that seat up another 2 inches.
Yeah, well, I got more 2x4s.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, just need one that goes right in there.
Imagine you whittle that thing down so it fits right. Oh, yeah. No, put that in the middle. Or put that one on the
Too
bottom.
big.
No, it's not. It'll give you a nice stable base. You are up there, though. Look at this. Boop. Done.
I don't know
Magnets.
about I don't know about the candid audio. End up talking shit and hurting someone's feelings.
Now, so we could, right? Or you could just lag all this together, this piece here.
Yeah.
You just need something for the front, though.
Oh, that'll stay there. I mean, I could space it up so that it fits.
Oh, shit, I didn't even see that one under there. I didn't know you had that under there.
Yeah, it's already fit in there.
So you lag all that, and then I'd just throw
I'm
one
just
more.
gonna make
more.
a little frame.
No. What's wrong with the wood?
Look,
you
no,
even
no.
have the owner's
It's too
manual.
heavy. It's too heavy. Sorry, it's a 2017. I lied.
Yep. I think you just run the wood and you put one brace right here.
Not gonna be wood. I've got tons of this. This is free.
That's not gonna cut it.
I have to double it up.
You have to triangulate it.
If we literally bend this so that it fits
What
up
else
in
you
there,
got?
I got this free aluminum.
I don't know how you're gonna.
Watch.
That stuff is not gonna hold if you're bending it that easy.
Well, it's at the hole.
I know.
It's
but
aluminum.
still.
Well, we're gonna cut other pieces and weld it at a T. You know what I could do? I could just run it right down the side. Just pull it right to the tunnel. See what I'm looking at here?
Yeah, I'm gonna TIG weld those brackets right to the running boards.
I mean, I got some other shit right here, but we got aluminum.
The square tube?
We got stuff in stock to build this.
Let's get it going. Oh no, now you lost an inch. Oh no.
Factory made piece. Gave it too much bend.
Yep.
That's the wrong type of aluminum.
Yeah, you hate to see that. That's the same height it was gonna be with the bend on it.
Well, I can't bend it again.
No, weld feet to it.
6 and a half.
You're 6 3/8.
Well, what side you measuring from?
I'm on the bottom.
Yeah, that's 6 and 9.
You're 6 1/2 to the center of your top piece.
You're 7/16, and I'm within a 16th.
That's no way.
This is crude fabrication.
Something. There's no chunk out of that. That disc is great.
It's not bad. It's just a little chunk.
Lovely.
A little hot. All right, where's the other one?
This one?
Yeah.
You want to trim the leg off of it?
Just want to see what we got first.
Yeah. Not quite. I mean, I could vice grip it together. I don't think you'll bow it in if we weld it.
I'll bolt the f***er together.
Yeah, all I gotta do is put down the sides. Then you already got the holes, and I'll just.
It's gonna have 2 bolts going into the seat, so that's gonna be partially bolted there.
You don't want me to weld a T in the middle?
Well, I want to fabricate this in 15 minutes with no expense whatsoever.
All right.
I mean, what do you think?
It's up to you. You know, I would hate and love to see you halfway through the day have your seat sitting like this on the sled.
I just want to put a couple bolts in it, which will be real easy.
Couple bolts. All right, I got
vice grips.
Yep. You just need your drill. I got your bit right here.
Yeah, that'll work. That's for concrete, bud.
Blow this thing through it. You already got a pilot hole. So, I'm curious. You think you're going to have more or less time in this than the guy that made the trailer ramp seat?
Oh, I'm going to have less time. That
think?
fucking guy spent hours making that.
I don't know.
I wonder if this one fits better. Oh, this one actually almost fits better. Yeah, that's good.
That's real nice. That's actually almost, I mean, it is impressive, really. Part of me wants your seat thing to work out, and part of me wants it to break halfway through the day.
Trust me, unless you put a faulty weld on it, which if I think I have to question your integrity, I'll take it to Giro's.
It's just seam sealer.
That's why you're volunteering to weld it. You've been watching that thing where they make the trailers where the guy's stacking dimes with the silver
caulking. That's right. Yep.
That's what you do to my seat bracket. You think that'll crush?
I don't know. Let me see.
I mean, it's obviously not bolted down, but once you bolt it, and I can put a piece in the middle. Put this in there.
That thing's heavy. It's adding weight.
It's getting heavy.
Adding weight.
I mean, it's not going to rip the bolts through the side of this plastic.
It might.
Well, it might, yeah.
What are you talking about? You're going to put wood on it.
So that it goes into the fucking notch in the front of that tank.
Oh, you're going to put wood on the seat.
Look under it. Yeah, look.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. That's par for the course because my seat mod does have wood on it too.
Right. I just need to find the right piece to whittle it out of. I could use aluminum.
That's going to wear through your plastic.
Yeah, the wood might be better, honestly, but I just don't want to use...
You don't want heavy materials in here. You don't have enough for 2 of them, though. What is this?
Dude, it's close.
17, so you got 34.
It'd be nice if it went back a little bit. Yeah, I got enough for 2.
This is going to inhibit you from bolting to your thing unless you put it on the bottom side.
Bolt it right up through this.
Through all of it.
Yeah, I'm just going to use some screws anyway.
It's going to rip that fucking seat right out.
Do you see how much foam there is in that thing? I'm not taking the cover off this to bolt it. Actually, you can get your hand in here to bolt it through.
Yeah, can you go to that back flat that we were looking at? Can you fish
Yeah, you
up
can
in there?
fish a bolt right through here.
Yeah. You want to chop that in half, don't you?
Yeah. I mean, we're 30.
You're 35.
35 and 3/8.
So you need 17
and
5/8-ish,
yeah.
right in the middle,
Yeah.
just a little over half. Good
Yeah,
enough.
see, that's not bad. I'm gonna cut. I need to cut this off so it can fit a little tighter.
It looks like a bumblebee, dude. This is exactly what I want to do, is hop on this thing all mocked up. Oh, okay, here we go. Did it move?
No. It's gonna need some bracing,
How's
but it's not wiggling at all.
I see that.
That thing is legit. I could actually honestly bolt this whole thing together right now.
I don't know.
Just test it. Make sure it doesn't collapse.
It didn't even move. The bracket didn't move at all.
I'm telling you.
The seat, the foam just like went around the plastic.
Yeah, that's what it did when you were on it. This thing is just luxurious, man. It needs a 2-inch riser. This is a 4, it needs a 6.
Power mad coming in.
Dude, there was a whole bucket of them things at the show.
That's well, yeah, I know, you blew it. I was trying to tell everyone, you gotta get your sled early, but no one was listening. We just gotta do something right here, right? A little strappy do across that on the bottom, maybe?
Well, we could put a piece on the top.
Yeah, we're gonna want them in a little more. We put them right to the end of this thing.
If we cut
like
2 pieces, we can even cut like 3 so we have stuff to screw.
You get 6, right?
Let me see. 2 here, 2 here.
Right.
And 2 here.
5
It's gonna kind of be riding on there uneven.
5 1/4. Well,
we
if you
can
taper
put
it in.
I can put a piece of aluminum right here.
With this width right here.
I'm just talking about, you feel this rib right here?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you were really good, you'd make a hook off the back of that to latch right into here.
What I really should do is cut apart that gas tank and bolt it to here, and then that would snap right on just like factory. If I cut the top of that gas tank off, or if I had another one,
right.
I'm gonna be in competition for seat mod. Self-performed.
Fair.
You bought yours that way.
Yep.
It looks nice, but this is self-executed with free on-hand materials. Okay, so should we clamp?
So see, these are all good.
Should we just
gotta
clamp
line
these
that
and-
right up at the end?
We clamp them and drill them right there.
Probably.
And then we just line it up and drill.
Oh no, what a discovery. We should have opened that before. That might have made things so much. Instead of fishing your metal in here, you could have just put it through.
It went easy.
Making progress.
Is it gonna blow out?
No, the only thing I'd be worried about is ripping the plastic of the seat right
We
off.
definitely have to have another hoop in the front.
Yeah.
It's floppy in the front.
Yeah.
We've proven the concept.
Elbird's gonna buzz down, put his eyes on this, and go to lunch. Old boy is in there cutting something up big time. Now you're getting a little fancy on me. What are we doing with this?
Thin wall stainless.
Jesus, Giro set you up good, huh?
It's gonna get aluminum, and then I'd have to fucking mock it up and cart all this shit to your place. And I'm like,
Oh yeah, 5 minutes down the road so far.
No, but we don't want to. That thing would infest
You're
your
grinding? Holy. Is that gonna be the front or the rear?
This is the rear one.
You're redoing all of it?
Oh fuck yeah.
All that hard work this morning, you're just throwing it out.
That's a mock up. That was a quick crash.
Bullshit. I knew you couldn't leave that alone. It was gonna be too haggard for you.
My angle did get I lost a little angle in the weld, but she's pretty close.
You're like me. It's gotta be nice.
Wow.
Even though it's goofy, it's still gotta be
We've got
nice.
the technology to make it. Decided that this thing is really beautiful.
I don't know about we. I'd say you decided.
Well, I'm pretty impressed with my bracket, and I want to make this the trophy for this year's challenge.
What challenge though?
Whatever.
Because there's gonna be a lot of them. Let's see this finished product you got. What is this thing, first off? No one knows about this thing.
This is an HO.
Okay, great. It's a relic right here.
This is the real sleeper.
Yeah, you gotta clean this up.
This is after I cleaned it.
It's got grease all over it.
Yeah, what is going on with that? What's going on with these skis, first off? You get these off a Z370 or what? Oh, baby. You know, this did come out pretty good. Did you put anything under it up here where it sits on the tank? Oh, yeah. What do you got in there?
It's got some little foam.
You got the freaking wings on it, dude.
Yeah, I made a little bracket to beef it up. Give it a test.
Yeah, Tyler, hop right on there.
Everyone's been sitting on it and testing it.
What are you kicking with your foot? What is that?
That's the hardware we didn't use.
Looks pretty tall on that thing.
Man, these things are huge.
The Firecat or the seat?
The Firecat, the seat's fantastic. I mean, this is about the most comfortable thing we've ever sat on. There, you gotta try that.
Sit on it.
Not many people have.
That's squishy. That's neat. It's squishy though.
Wild child racing. That is awesome.
Yeah, I didn't look at his.
I love how you can't see any front mount on it, so it looks like it's just almost floating that high. The thing is so far up there, dude. You gotta brace this up so you can do a little Superman seat grab off that.
That's fine. I could bolt it right through there.
Yeah, so there's actually.
Take your glove on the bolt. I'm gonna call Chris, get you a Skidoo wrap for this. What do you think of that? Nice ZX looking
I'm
wrap.
not losing my handicap. You're going to be starting in the neighbor's field. Your handicap's so big.